You're not fat, you're dehydrated. That stubborn belly bloat, brain fog, and cravings, they often have one silent trigger: lack of water. We chase complex diets and workouts, but overlook the simplest, most powerful tool: hydration. Proper hydration isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about unlocking your body's ability to burn fat, boost energy, and function at its best. Many are chronically dehydrated without realizing it, sabotaging weight loss, energy, and mood. Today, we'll reveal how water transforms your metabolism, hunger, workouts, and weight loss journey. You're eating clean, exercising, but the scale won't budge. Have you considered your water intake? Dehydration is a sneaky saboteur. When you're dehydrated, your body holds on to water, causing bloating, especially around your midsection. This isn't fat gain, it's water weight, a direct result of inconsistent hydration. Your metabolism relies on water for every process. Without enough, everything slows down. Even mild dehydration can lower your metabolic rate, making weight loss harder. We obsess over calories and workouts, but forget water is the fuel for all our body's chemistry. Without it, even the best plans stall. Water helps your kidneys flush waste, supports liver fat metabolism, and keeps your system running. Addressing hydration isn't just another health tip, it's the foundation for all your efforts. Reframe water as an active, essential part of your weight loss journey. Give it the respect it deserves. It could be the missing link to a healthier, leaner you. Here's the exciting part. Water can help you burn more fat. Drinking water, especially cold, triggers water-induced thermogenesis. Your body burns calories to warm it up. Those calories come from your energy stores, including fat. A study found that drinking 17 ounces of water increased metabolic rate by up to 30% within 40 minutes. That's about 5 pounds of fat lost per year, just from drinking more water. Drink a glass before meals or at regular intervals to stoke your metabolic fire. This isn't a gimmick. It's a natural, science-backed boost. Water also enhances the calorie-burning effects of your workouts. It's a simple, powerful tool for fat loss. Stop seeing water as an afterthought. Use it as a proactive strategy. Your brain often confuses thirst for hunger. The hypothalamus controls both, so you might snack when you really need water. Mild dehydration mimics hunger weakness, irritability, trouble focusing. Next time you feel hungry outside mealtimes, drink a glass of water and wait 15 minutes. You'll be surprised how often the craving disappears. This water-first hack can cut mindless snacking and unnecessary calories. Keep a water bottle handy and make water your first response to cravings. Notice how you feel after hydrating. Often, water is the answer. It's not about deprivation, but giving your body what it truly needs. Re-educate your body and brain with this simple habit. You'll stay on track and make weight loss easier. Hydration is key to getting the most from your workouts. Dehydration means your heart works harder, fatigue sets in faster, and performance drops. Even a 2% loss in body weight from dehydration can impair strength and endurance. Water is critical for muscle repair and recovery. Nutrients and oxygen reach muscles through blood, which needs water. It also flushes out waste like lactic acid, reducing soreness. Drink 20 ounces 3 hours before exercise, 8 ounces 20 minutes before, and sip during your workout. Rehydrate after 24 ounces per pound lost. Make water part of your training routine, just like your warm-up. Hydrated muscles perform and recover better. Don't let dehydration hold you back. Fuel your workouts with water. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Fatigue, headaches, brain fog, and irritability are early signs. Even mild dehydration affects focus, mood, and memory. Check your urine. Dark yellow means you need more water. Pale straw is ideal. Infrequent urination, dry skin, chapped lips, and constipation are other clues. Your skin and digestion rely on water to function well. Don't wait for thirst. Listen to these subtle signals. Track how you feel in relation to your water intake. Respond early, and you'll boost energy, clarity, and weight loss. Hydration is proactive self-care. The 8 glasses a day rule is outdated. A better guideline: drink half your body weight in ounces daily. Adjust for exercise, hot climates, illness, or pregnancy. Use a water bottle with ounce markings to track intake. Set reminders or use an app to stay consistent. Start your day with water and include water-rich foods like fruits and veggies. Don't obsess. Focus on building a consistent habit. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Personalized hydration fuels better health and weight management. Make it a daily priority. What happens if you commit to hydration for just 1 week? Expect more energy, less fatigue, and fewer cravings. You'll feel more alert, focused, and satisfied after meals. Digestion improves, bloating decreases, and workouts feel easier. Recovery is faster, and your skin may look healthier. Many see the scale drop as water retention fades and metabolism improves. These quick wins create a positive feedback loop. Sometimes the simplest change, drinking enough water, yields the biggest results. Try it for a week and notice the difference. Hydration is your easiest, most effective health upgrade. You don't need a life overhaul, just start with water. Mastering hydration is the most accessible, impactful change for your health and weight loss. This week, skip the crazy diets. Just hydrate and notice the shifts. Your body, mind, and even the scale will thank you. Ready to make water your secret weapon? Comment, "I'm starting today," below. Subscribe and click on the screen for watch the next videos. Also check our description for tools and products to make your journey easier for more real science-backed health tips. Let's make waves, one glass at a time.